Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is ooey and this is my third video on YouTube. So today, in this video, I'm going to unbox this slime kit. So the special thing about this slime kit is that it's a glow in the dark edition. So on my first video, I showed you guys how to make slime, but I didn't say to you that what is slime and how it works. So slime is basically a substance that is kind of like rubber. Adults use these for relieving stress. So you can also say that this is a kind of stress reliever for adults. But children use this to play with it, like me. So today I am going to unbox this thing. So before that, let's have a quiet look of this slime box. So the box itself is pretty hard and it also says us some message, and guys, I just noticed that it says that it is recommended for children above 8 years. So if you're underage, then please don't use it. So first, you guys have a pretty good look of the box. And now, let's open it up. So guys, let's now see what is inside of the box. Wow, there's a lot of things. So, first we have here the instruction manual. Just keep it aside. We'll come back to it later. Then it's giving us 3 mixing bowls. Also 3 containers with lids. I guess those are to store the slimes. And here we are having a 100 ml measuring cup beaker and also 2 full bottles of glue. So let me to open these packets and show you guys. The glue kind of smells weird. So the glue also says that this glue is non-toxic and non-hazardous. However, can be harmful if ingested or misused. Wash hands after use. So it contains 50 ml of glues. And we're also having this packet, which has lots of things. So the first thing that I see are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pop sticks or wooden sticks. Then we're also having a teal color dye. This is recommended to not to use for 3 years kids. Then we are having 2 pipelets. Then we are having a slime activator. And then we are having our clear plastic spoon. And the last thing in this package is our glow powder, slime glow powder. So guys, now I'm going to tell you how you can modify your slime. So as the box says, you can make your own spookiest slimes. So that means they must also give us some spiders or something like that. But as they are not giving us, so you can add your own small stuffed toy, small plastic toys that we get from Kinder Joy and stuff like that. And you can also add your own colors. If you don't like the teal color, as me, I also don't like the teal color that much. So you can just add your own color like pink or something. So I just now noticed that you can make 2 separate slimes as they are giving you 2 glues and 3 mixing bowls. So as they are giving us 3 mixing bowls, I hope we can make 3 slimes. So yeah, and you can also modify your slime by playing with it a lot and lot, because if you don't play with your slime much after just creating it, so it will become really hard, and after like a week or some days, if you are going to be playing with it, it's going to be really hard and you are not even going to be able to stretch it. So don't do it, guys. So guys, if you guys are wondering that I'm going to just unbox the video and gonna go, so that's totally wrong, but that's half true also, because today as we are having no time, so on my next video I'm going to show you how to make